And here's another fantastic piece by Tairai Maisiri of Zimbabwe. Amazing detail, sculpted from black serpentine. And just amazing detail.
No, we won't meet here, but you must come and fix that thing. Also that one shop with I want to speed up that place. I think the problem here is because
And then by Tairai Maisiri of Zimbabwe.